Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to top up engine oil in your BMW 2 Series. First, ensure your car is on a level surface and the engine has cooled for about 10 minutes. This allows the oil to settle, giving you an accurate reading. You'll use the iDrive system to check the current oil level electronically, as many modern BMWs do not have a physical dipstick. This process is straightforward and helps maintain your engine's health. Next, it's crucial to use the correct engine oil for your BMW 2 Series. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact specifications. You'll typically need an oil that meets BMW LongLife 01 or LongLife 04 standards. The viscosity, such as 5W30 or 5W40, is also very important. Using the wrong oil can lead to engine damage, so double-check before purchasing. Now, let's add the oil. Pop your hood and locate the oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Unscrew it carefully. Pour in the new engine oil slowly, adding about 0.5 liters at a time. Avoid overfilling, as this can also cause issues. After each addition, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the level using your iDrive system. Once you've added oil, perform a final check using your iDrive system to ensure the level is within the recommended range. Remember, overfilling is just as bad as underfilling, so be precise. If you've added too much, it's best to have a professional drain the excess. Always dispose of any used engine oil responsibly at an approved recycling facility. Keeping your oil topped up properly ensures your BMW runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.